Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to change transparency of drawings in AutoCAD. If you want to change transparency in AutoCAD the proper, organized way, you should use the layer method. Adjusting transparency through layers gives you global control, keeps your drawing clean, and prevents inconsistent object settings. First, open your drawing in AutoCAD and make sure your layers are properly structured. Then select your drawing. After that, open the Layer Properties Manager. You can do this by typing LA into the command line and pressing Enter, or by clicking the Layer Properties button in the Home tab. Once the Layer Properties Manager opens, you'll see a table listing all your layers. Look for the column labeled Transparency. Now locate the layer you want to adjust. Then click inside the Transparency cell next to that layer's name. Enter a value between 0 and 90. A value of 0 means fully opaque, while higher values increase transparency. For example, we set it to 20 at first. Then you guys could change the number depending on your preference. This is why the layer method is powerful. You don't need to select objects individually. You control entire groups at once. Now here's something important. If your objects don't appear transparent after adjusting the layer, check their individual properties. Select an object and open the Properties panel. Make sure its transparency setting says By Layer. If it has a manual value entered, it will override the layer setting. For best drafting practice, keep objects set to By Layer so that layer controls remain consistent and predictable. By using the Layer Properties Manager to control transparency, keeping objects set to By Layer, and enabling plot transparency during printing, you maintain full control over your drawing's visual clarity while keeping your file organized and professional. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.